guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this is my first ever sitting down video, so in case there are a few errors here and there, please bear with me. Now if my chirpiness looks a little extra to you, it's simply because I'm trying to cover the fact that I'm recording this video for the second time. But if you're coming from my Instagram page, you already know this and you already know the goof up that happened. So in case you're coming from my Instagram page, leave a comment below with the mic emoji so that we all have like an inside joke about what actually happened, which is not nice. Okay, so this haul is going to have H&M, Zara, GK, M Block Market, street shopping, a little bit of that, and an Instagram store that I have an amazing review for. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first place that I went to in the GK market was this store called Decor Bay. We have some really cute and quirky and millennial kind of decor items. They are very aesthetic and you will be able to find really good. Now of course what I have inside are clothes. What actually was in this bag I'm going to show you just now. After which we picked up this beautiful gold and white flower vase, which I really wanted for my own room. But since my space is really clustered at the moment, we've put it in the drawing room itself. I plan to fill it up with a lot of red roses every now and then. About the clothing bit, I'm really excited to show you guys this stuff. Okay, so the first thing that I have here is this super cute night suit set. Now it is a satin material and it has popcorns all over it, which I think is really adorable. I've been seeing these prints all over Instagram, but I wasn't really sure and I wanted to like see them before I actually purchase them. That's just how I am when it comes to night suits. So when I spotted these on the street vendors, I was like, I have to get it. This is how it looks. It is of course not very high quality satin, but I have no complaints. And the ribbon of the pajamas is also this cute yellow color, which is adorable. Now of course this wasn't the only night suit I got from him because there were so many cool designs. This was the vendor right behind Brown Sugar. If you are from Delhi or if you frequently visit the GK market, you would know Brown Sugar. This is the mask from the second night suit set. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the right way to wear a mask and not this, and not this, and not this, and not this, or any of those things. It has little Nutella jars all over it. Now the fit of this one is a little tight on me, even though I picked the size large. I have no complaints given how cute this looks. Now both the night suits were about 600 and 650 each, so we ended up paying them 1250 rupees, which I think is not bad. So the next thing I got, I thought that I would be able to pair it with some kurta for Diwali, but that sadly wasn't the case. So I'm yet to like wear this or style this, but I think it's beautiful. Like the embroidery and the work all over it just had my heart. I can totally see myself styling it and pairing it in a lot of ways. So yeah, this pajama again was for 600 rupees. Okay, so the last thing that I bought from GK was this blush pink pajamas. Now I absolutely loved them the second I saw them. Like the color is absolutely perfect. I do have same color knit sweater that I thought that I would pair with it and it would look super cute. Different trench or maybe a different overcoat, a different colored overcoat. It would look really put together without really putting in a lot of effort because it's a pajama after all, right? This also was for 600 rupees and I'm very proud of this purchase. I only got 2 items here, but I'm really happy with both of these. Okay, so the first thing that I got from Zara are these pale pink joggers, more like a salmon pink. They were for 2790 and I've got them in the size small because now I really like how the fabric looks very vintage and denim like, but it actually isn't. It's extremely comfortable and I really enjoy the fit of these. Create a lot of athleisure kind of looks with them. I would especially wear them with heels. A lot of people might be drawn to wear them with shoes and they would look amazing both ways. Okay, so the next thing that I got is my favorite piece from this entire haul. I've been wanting leather pants for a really long time and I wasn't just exactly sure. I didn't want to get those fitted legging kind of leather pants because if you've seen Friends, you know what happens with them. The second I saw these baggy ones on Zara, I knew I had to get them. And then they went to the special prices section, which means that the price was reduced. I picked them in the size 36 and they were originally priced for 2790. But when I placed my order, I got them for 1590, which I'm extremely elated about. they have this baggy fit. Now when it comes to baggy lowers, I always share this on my Instagram as well, that you should always size down, especially if you're buying from Zara. I think like this summer how my baggy jeans were like my go-to thing to wear. This winter these pants are totally going to be it. Okay, so next up is my parcel from H&M. Again, there's not a lot, but there are pieces that I'm really happy with. So the first thing that I ordered was this knit black cropped sweater. Now I've seen Kritika Khurana wear them a lot of times and I was just like, that would really flatter my body now. Ever since I've started working out and I started eating right, I've seen a difference in my stomach. Like it's gotten a little flat. It's not exactly flat, of course. Feels a little less bloated and a little, you know, I just feel more comfortable in my skin now. So I thought that maybe I ordered in the size small and it is for $14.99 only. Okay, so the next thing that I got from H&M is not a clothing item. It's a laptop bag in the color blush pink. They also had it in black and I was a little confused if I wanted the black one. It retails for $14.99. Now it's said on the website that the bag has cushioning, but I don't think the cushioning is like thick enough to actually protect my laptop, and you can get like stiff, like more thick laptop covers for about 800 or 900 rupees online. So I'm not very sure if I want to keep this one. Okay, so the last thing that I got from H&M is this super cute lilac sweater. If you have been following me on Instagram, you would know that I loved lilac all this year and I don't think that love is going anywhere. I think I'm gonna do another IGTV video around ways to style this one because I really liked it. I thought it would look amazing with my lilac pants, then maybe with my lilac skirt with some tights and boots. Then you can of course wear them with white trousers and a lot of similar things. Again, this was for $14.99. It's not a very thick sweater. You can kind of wear it right now, but if you would want to wear it when the weather gets slightly colder, of course always layer it up with jackets and trench coat. Okay, for the last bit, I've got this little review of this Instagram store called Studio Trinket. Now of course this isn't sponsored in any way. I actually really love their accessories. I've ordered 2 pieces from them so far. One is this link chain that you would have seen me wear a lot of times, and the second is this beautiful evil eye necklace. Of course there are a lot of Instagram stores selling cute accessories, but the thing is when these pages say that no returns, payment first and things like that, it gets difficult to trust them. So first of all, I saw that they are putting in the effort and they're working with influencers, which was one way of earning my trust. Okay, so the link chain was great. I got it and it was a gamble, but I got it on time and I was pretty happy about it. The second time when I was ordering this evil eye neck piece, I didn't even have a lot of conversation. I just said that this is what I want and this is I know the price that you're selling it for and this is I made the payment already. But half an hour later, they actually called me back and they came back to me saying that this piece that I actually liked was slightly defective. So it was like out of maybe 15 Swarovskis, one Swarovski was out, and I know for a fact that a lot of people would not hesitate, you know, just sending it over. But they made sure that they told me that there was this defect, and then they didn't even ask me to like order a different piece. They just said that we're gonna send you your money back. So I said that, you know, I'm okay with getting a different one, and they sent it over in like 2 to 3 days. And all of this is something that I really appreciate. Thank you for watching this video. In case you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give a very huge thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel below. I'll be really grateful if you do all of that. And in case you would want to see more of me, I'm more regular on my Instagram page, but I'm also gonna buck up on my YouTube channel. So in case you have any video requests, please also put that in the comment section below, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.